In this demo, we're going to show you how Workflow for Forms can help assist you in implementing a COVID-19 rental assistance process. This process involves capturing user data from two different types of people, a tenant and a landlord. The tenant will need to provide their information, and we will translate that into an existing PDF template. In addition, we will need to capture file attachments from different types of formats. Once the data is collected, we will need to verify all the information is correct with the landlord before we can kick off the internal workflow in OnBase. So, I've already gone ahead and made sure I have all the information and files that I need to complete this form. So let's begin the process by filling out our details as the tenant. Now, we're going to add any occupants details. Add the details of our landlord, including how much is owed. Now, we're going to add our documentation that we need. We'll notice that they're all different file formats. I can then review all of the information that's provided throughout the process and submit the form. This is going to create a PDF from a template and populate it with all the answers we provided. This will then send this document into OnBase along with all the other documentation provided. And if we take this external reference number and head over to OnBase and do a search for it, we can see our submission. If we click into it, we can see that the file has been populated with all the answers provided from the form, and we can use a cross-reference tool to see all of the supporting documents. You'll notice the keywords have been populated, but you'll notice that it has not yet been marked for approval to go into the workflow. This is because the landlord hasn't yet approved it himself. So, acting as a landlord, if I head over to my emails, I can see I have an email about one of my tenants, and I need to confirm the information that they have provided. So if I go into the form, I can see that the information I need to validate who I am is already pre-filled, and I can see all the pertinent information about the process, which is held in Workflow for Forms. I fill out any additional remaining information, and confirm the information is correct and submit the form. This will now generate a new PDF with all of the answers and add it as a supporting document to the existing submission. It will also update the original document keyword to be marked active, ready for workflow in OnBase.